World Wellbeing Week. These are dietary and lifestyle tips to support your mental well-being, part 2. Are you balancing the fats in your diet? Your brain is 60% EPA and DHA fats. These come from omega-3. You may think you're getting plenty of omega-3 foods in your diet, but the conversion to these important EPA and DHA fats is very, very poor. We get these fats from our oily fish. We get them from salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, a little bit of trout as well. If you're vegetarian or vegan and you're eating things like flax seeds and chia seeds and walnuts for your omega-3, just be aware that conversion to those fats is going to be very, very poor. If you don't like oily fish, you need to be thinking about a supplement. But don't just look for the omega-3. You really need to be looking for those EPA, DHA fats. These fats are important for the structure and function of the brain.